Okay, so for my leg and glute workout, I started off by warming up with some leg swings. I did about 10 on each side, and this is just good to get your blood pumping. It's always good to do stretches before you do any kind of weighted exercise, and really maybe any exercise at all, but especially using weights. I started off with good mornings. So you just put the bar on your back, then you lean back, keeping your legs pretty straight. You're not really wanting to bend at the knee, but your knees are going to bend just a little bit. So you push your bottom back, keep your back straight, core tight, and I usually do about 10 of these, and then I increase the weight. I'll do good mornings, and then I do squats. I'll superset those two together a lot using the same weight until I get too heavy on my squats. So that's good mornings again. And I typically try to do sets like 40 reps total, sometimes more on squats. So here's some of my heavier squats. When you're doing squats, make sure that you push your bottom back, keep your chest and your head up. It's good to choose a focal point kind of to look at somewhere on the wall to ensure that you're not going to put your head down and that you are going to keep your chest up. That's good for your form. So you don't want to lean over or you don't want to lean forward with the weight really, because it will end up hurting your back. So just push your bottom back, knees need to be parallel over your feet, and get those done. Over here, Jules was doing calf raises with this machine. So using her toes, she just pushed up. I didn't get a video of it really, but that's what she was doing. Then I went into hip thrusters. I did probably about 50 total reps. I usually do it in sets of 10, sometimes 15 if I can squeeze out those extra. So you're going to want a pad on this. You're going to lean your back against a bench or whatever you have there. I probably should have scooted my back a little bit up further, my shoulders on the bench, but anyway, keep your neck, to protect your neck and your spine. You're not going to want to look up, but instead kind of look straight ahead of you at the wall. See how my neck is not, or my head's not straight back, but I'm kind of got it faced towards the wall. And then you just thrust up. These are really good for your glutes. It's an excellent glute exercise, probably one of my favorites. You're going to keep your feet pointed forward. They hurt really bad. Like I said, they're awesome. There's Jules again. She's come a long way. This was actually done probably 3 or 4 months ago, so she is doing great now. Consistency is the key. Then I went to the cables. So with this one cable attached to my leg, I did 3 different moves. The first one I did was hamstring curls. Just keep your legs straight. Keep your knees together, and then just push your heel backwards towards your glutes. I did about 10 of those, and then I went on to leg extensions using the cables. Once again, keep your back straight. Always keep your back straight pretty much on everything. Core tight, and just push back with your heels. I did 10 of those, and then I went into kind of a backwards leg adductor. That's good for rounding your glutes out, for strengthening the sides of your legs. Then I went back, this is the other leg, and I just kind of sped it up. So it's just doing the same exercises. So I did those 3 all on one cable and alternated between the 2 legs, and probably did 30 reps on each. If not 30, then 40. So feel free to contact me for any questions.